Hey guys, I just wanna show you my bedtime routine, my every night bedtime routine before I sleep. So this is Clarity Essentials underarm toner and underarm whitening cream. So I always make sure that my underarm is clean before I apply it. And here it goes. I'm using toner first. To clean it clean any kind of dirt and sweat. Guys, I'm so thankful to this product. I'm so grateful to Clarity Essentials products because their products are so good, so beautiful, well packed, and it's so smooth in skin. It smells so good, guys, and it whitens. Sa dami ng product na ginagamit ko, Clarity Essentials lang talaga yung paputi. Nagpa-lighten sa skin ko. Kasi all of you guys know na when you give birth or when you get pregnant, we girls, as girls, our hormones are imbalanced, right? Our hormones are changed, so we get hormonal imbalance. That's why our underarms, our necks became dark, right? That's why I am using it before I go to sleep, before bedtime, to cleanse and replenish my underarm. So after using underarm toner, let's proceed to underarm whitening cream by Clarity Essentials. Oh my gosh, sobrang bango niya, guys. Talaga, it smells so good. So I applied small amount. This is so weird. Sobrang bango, guys. Smells so good talaga. Diba? Instant whitening. Grabe yung products nila talaga. So, ayan guys.